How to bypass Doordash waitlist. Now, this method is an actual or the correct process in doing an updates about becoming a dasher. Now, there is no actual tricks or a specific hack or whatsoever for you to be able to bypass on the waitlist on DoorDash. The only thing that you would like to do is just to check on what specific part of the process are you in becoming a dasher on DoorDash. Now just head out to their official site and head over to the bottom part of the page and then head out to support. Now once you have checked on what specific part of the process are you in, if it's whether it be on the background check or on the sign up process, all you have to do is just to choose on necessary options here for you to get in contact with one of their customer support. You'll just have to be polite. You just have to be specific on all the statements that you will be typing in when coordinating with one of their support for you to be able to be catered smoothly without any problems. And that's it. That's how you bypass the DoorDash waitlist.